Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by using a known good cable and port. This rules out hardware. Once connected, unlock the phone and pull down the notification shade to see the USB mode. If prompts are missing, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in Settings About, then turn on USB debugging. This exposes connection logs and options. Make sure to test the cable on another device. If it works there, focus on the phone settings and drivers next. Once developer options and debugging are active, tap the USB notification and select File Transfer, MTP to expose storage. If that option is absent, toggle other modes and reinsert the cable. On a PC, update or reinstall USB drivers, or install Samsung Smart Switch to get correct drivers. If the phone still ignores connections, clear cache for System UI and any USB helper apps in Settings apps. Then reboot the device to. You now verify success by transferring a small file both directions and watching for the USB notification to appear. Make sure to try multiple ports and cables once more to confirm. If notifications still fail, reboot into safe mode to check whether a third-party app blocks USB prompts. Uninstall any suspect apps. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes deep software corruption. If even that fails, seek Samsung service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.